Faraday's first law. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, refers to as a Faraday's law, is a fundamental law of electromagnetic that predicts how the magnetic fields interact with electrocircuits to produce electromotor forces (EMF). This phenomenon is known as electromagnetic induction. This law of induction explains the working principle of transform motors, generators, and inductors. The law is named after Michael Faraday, who conducted an experiment with magnetic and coin. Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that the mass of a substance deposited at an electrode is directly proportional to the amount of charge passed, whereas M, the mass of substance in a gram deposited at an electrode, and Q is the amount of charge in coulombs or electrolyticity passed through it. On remove the proportionality inequation. M equals ZQ, where Z is a proportionality constant. Its unit is gram per coulomb. It is also called the electrochemical equivalent. Z is the mass of substance deposited at electrode during electrolysis by passing 1 coulomb of charge. We will explain the concept of Faraday's first law. And chemical. Drying oven, beaker 100 ml, 0.5 molar copper sulfate solution prepared in 1 molar sulfuric acid, 2 pieces copper metal electrode, battery dash, ammeter, direct current source DC with range 1 to 12 volts, resistance to control the amount of flowing current into the circuit. Firstly, prepare the electrode by identify and label the cathode and anode electrodes. Then record the weight of cathode before deposition in data table. Secondly, connecting the circuit. Connect the both ends of the cell by electrical circuit, as in diagram, a continuous electrical current source and restart, and the ammeter inset to 400 mA. Thirdly, prepare the cell by put around 100 ml of copper sulfate solution and place the 2 electrodes opposite of each other inside the solution. Fourthly, after 5 minutes, cut the circuit, close electrical current source, and pick up the cathode from the cell. Put it in drying oven for 5 minutes. After that, we will take the electrode and let it cool for 10 minutes. Then, record the weight of cathode in data table. Note: we will repeat this step until we get fixed weight. We repeat the step by using 200 mA current, then 300 mA at the same time period, and recording the weight of copper deposited vertically. The results are proven Faraday's first law of electricity states that the mass of substance deposited at any electrode is directly proportional to the amount of charge passed.